Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabe. I welcome you to Changes Around Us. Which of the following is a change that can be reversed? Which of the following is a change that can be reversed? Fruits to juice, grains to flour, milk to ghee, stretched rubber band to normal size. The answer is stretched rubber band to normal size. The changes that can be reversed are those that after taking place can regain their original shape and size. Because the rubber band can return to its original shape after stretching, the change is reversible, while all the changes are irreversible. Which of the following changes that occurs in our bodies are reversible? Which of the following changes that occur in our bodies is reversible? Increase in height, decrease in weight, growing of nails, none of the above. The answer is none of the above. All changes that occur in the body, such as height gain, weight loss, nail growth, cannot be reversed naturally. As a result, they are not reversible changes. Melting of wax is a physical change because it involves melting of wax is a physical change because it involves change in the state from solid to liquid, change in the state from liquid to vapors, change in state from solid to vapors, change in state from liquid to solid. The answer is change in the state from solid to liquid. In a given process, only physical states of substances change from solid to liquid, and no new product are formed. Therefore, melting of wax is a physical change. A chemical change is known as a chemical change is known as a chemical process, chemical reaction, chemical activity, chemical species, the answer is chemical reaction. Cow dung to biogas is a chemical change. Cow dung to biogas is a chemical change. Why? Because biogas can be converted back to cow dung. Because a new product is formed. Both A and B. Because chemical composition remain the same. The answer is because a new product is formed. Cow dung to biogas is a chemical transformation. Because biogas produced a new product that cannot be converted back to cow dung, and the composition of biogas and cow dung are completely different. All of these are indication of a chemical change. The black material for repairing roads is heated, cooled, heated and cooled. None of the above. The answer is heated. What is the best way to effect change? What is the best way to effect change? Substance heating, substance cooling, combining one substance with another, all the above. Which of the following changes in water state is a physical change? Which of the following changes in water state is a physical change? Melting, condensation, boiling, all the above. The answer is all the above. Water state changes from solid to liquid during melting. Condensation converts vapor to liquid, whereas boiling converts liquids to vapor. Therefore, water does not transform into a new substance. Only water undergoes state transitions. The form of water can be easily reversed. So we can draw the conclusion that the water state is a physical change. How is clothing drying a reversible change? How is clothing drying a reversible change? Because dried clothes cannot be rewetted. Because drying clothing can become wet again. because all the water from the clothes had evaporated. All the above. The answer is because dry clothing can become wet again. Because the change can be reversed by wetting the dry clothes again, it is reversible. Which of the following is an irreversible change? Which of the following is an irreversible change? Shortening the length of the dress by folding, cooking of food, melting of ice, cold milk to hot milk. The answer is cooking of food. An irreversible change is one that once made cannot return to its original shape, form, or size. Because food cannot be reversed back into the raw materials from which it is made, it is an irreversible change. Irreversible changes are dash and dash. Irreversible changes are dash and dash. Physical and temporary. Chemical and temporary. Physical and permanent. Chemical and permanent. The answer is chemical and permanent. Because irreversible changes result in the formation of new products, they are chemical changes. And because they cannot be reversed, they are also permanent changes. The metal rim is attached to the wooden cartwheel by the metal rim is attached to the wooden cartwheel by heating of the metal rim, heating of wooden wheel, cooling the metal rim, cooling the wooden rim, the answer is heating the metal ring. Metal rings expand and fit around the wheel as they heat up. What happens when water is heated in a pan? What happens when water is heated in a pan? The quality of water in the pan increases. Water starts to cool up. Quantity of water in the pan decreases. Water changes into solid. The answer is the quantity of water in the pan increases. When we heat water in the pan, eventually begins to boil. As we continue to heat, the amount of water in the pan begins to decrease. Water evaporates and becomes vapor. The shape and the size of a pencil and a razor change with repeated use. Is it possible to undo this change? The shape and size of the pencil and eraser change with repeated use. Is it possible to undo this change? Yes, to some extent. No. Maybe. Data insufficient. The answer is no. It is impossible to undo the change once the shape and the size of the pencil and eraser change after repeated use, because it is an irreversible change. Irreversible changes are permanent. and cannot be reversed. Which of the following is the name given to the process of converting solid to liquids? Which of the following name is given to the process of converting a solid into a liquid? Condensation, melting, evaporation, freezing. The answer is melting. The process of converting a solid into a liquid is known as melting. Rusting or iron is an example of. Rusting or iron is an example of. Reversible change, irreversible change, physical change, none of the above. The answer is irreversible change. Rusting of iron is an irreversible change because rust forms on the surface of iron particles during rusting. Once rusted, the iron particle loses its strength and many other properties. This change is permanent change or irreversible change. What kind of change is expansion? What kind of change is expansion? Irreversible, permanent, reversible, all of the above. The answer is reversible. When an object is heated, its size expands. Expansion refers to an increase in size caused by heating. It is a reversible change because a hot object cools, it shrinks and returns to the original size. Which of the following processes is responsible for recovering salt from water? Which of the following processes is responsible for recovering salt from water? Condensation, evaporation, crystallization, melting. The answer is evaporation. When salt is dissolved in water, salt solution is formed. Salt underwent a change during the formation of salt solution, as salt has disappeared in water. This change can be reversed by placing the salt solution beaker over a burner, allowing it to evaporate. Water is removed through evaporation while leaving the salt behind. Which of the following is not an example of a change that occurs when two substances are mixed? Salt dissolves in water. Sand, water mixture. Sugar dissolves in water. Matchstick combustion. The answer is matchstick combustion. Matchstick combustion is the burning of the matchstick. For burning to occur, no mixing is required. Chemical change involves both changes in state and changes in composition. Only state change. Only color change. None of the above. The answer is both a change in state and a change in composition. Chemical changes are always accompanied by formation of one or more new substances. A chemical change affects the physical and chemical properties of a substance. including its composition. Hello, my friends. Thank you very much for participating in change around us. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.